This video contains new, time-sensitive information that might change the game for Shiba Inu, therefore anyone even remotely interested in the breed or SHIB token should watch it. So what's the latest news on the Shiba Inu coin? In what ways will this impact the value of the Shiba Inu? In my video today, I will answer all of your questions and share the latest information about Shiba Inu. I would be eternally grateful if you could see this film through to its conclusion, as I have put a lot of thought and effort into it. Rich Coins, your daily dose of Shiba, is here. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Click the like button to receive more SHIB news. But before we get into our problem, why don't we look at the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on December 31st? A Shiba Inu will set you back about $2,167 these days. In the past day, SHIB's price increased 3.9%, leading to $520 million USD in transactions. The token's current market value exceeds $12.7 billion, placing it as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. By the time you watch the video, these prices might have changed. Advice on personal or business finances should not be construed from this data. Now is a good time to start today's video. Investors in Shiba Inu bought 4 trillion SHIB, which is why the price went up. Although there has been a lot of activity in the Shiba Inu price recently, it has not been able to break through a significant resistance level. This pattern is borne out by the fact that holders are still purchasing SHIB tokens, even if their prices remain flat. The Shiba Inu investment is beginning to yield a profit. In just 5 days, the supply of Shiba Inu on the market has plummeted by a whopping 4 trillion SHIB, or more than $115 million at today's prices. Given the precipitous drop in availability, investors are probably hoarding SHIB on the expectation that its price would skyrocket in the future. The community around the meme money is thriving despite the fact that it has failed to break through key resistance levels. Investors are showing tenacity by betting on what they perceive as SHIB's inevitable breakout, even if the market is currently at a standstill. Maintaining a stockpile demonstrates confidence, particularly in light of general market trends that have not resulted in substantial price rises over the long term. Propelled mostly by the buying and holding of long-term investors, Shiba Inu's macro trend is turning positive. These investors typically retain tokens for more than a year, which helps stabilize the market and reduce volatility. The fact that 74% of SHIB tokens are currently owned by LTH demonstrates their confidence in the coin's future. This significant concentration of SHIB in long-term ownership is encouraging for the stability of the token going forward. The fact that many investors are considering the coin's long-term prospects rather than its short-term price fluctuations is indicative of this. In the future, the price of SHIB may encounter opposition. Currently, the Shiba Inu price is meeting resistance at 2,270 units. If the cryptocurrency can break above this level, it will have recovered 10% of its losses from this week, with the 28.06 unit resistance level as your target. This would indicate that the meme currency has fully recovered. Shiba Inu might go above 28.06 according to the current market sentiment and the behavior of long-term holders. The price of the altcoin can drop to 3,215 units as a result of this. Investors' optimism about SHIB's future and the sustainability of its upward trend would be enhanced if this were to transpire. However, failure to surpass the 2270 units barrier could lead to a negative reversal for SHIB. If the price of the cryptocurrency drops below this level, its value might fall to 2,006 units. If the Shiba Inu price drops any further below this level, it would signal a more severe correction and additional losses, rendering the bullish perspective meaningless. If you're still here and would like to show your support, I'd be eternally grateful. There is strong support for the channel, and there's no charge for it. Watch the show to find out what's going on with Shiba Inu and where the money could go from here. The main point of this video is going to start soon. The Shiba Inu is now listed on this prominent exchange. A new perpetual contract has been launched by the Gemini Foundation, the derivative trading platform of the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange. This contract uses Shiba Inu as collateral. This broadens the variety of trading options available to consumers in specific countries. This is an ongoing effort of the Gemini Foundation to increase the trading possibilities for digital assets. Priced in Gemini dollars, the newly launched perpetual contract allows for cheap trading against the stablecoin. By allowing leverage of up to 100x, the platform allows traders to maximize their holdings with minimal starting inputs. This feature is perfect for you if you wish to take advantage of market changes but are wary about committing a large sum all at once. This new product is part of the expanding lineup of perpetual contracts offered by Gemini Foundation. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and other cryptocurrencies contracts were already added to the platform. Joining Bitcoin Cash and Uniswap in the release demonstrates Gemini Foundation's commitment to diversifying its derivatives portfolio. You are only allowed to buy the Shiba Inu Everlasting contract or any of the other derivatives offered by the Gemini Foundation in the authorized region if you live in an area where derivative trading is not restricted. The Gemini Foundation does not cater to users in the US, UK, or EU, unlike the main Gemini platform. The platform is now compatible with 32 jurisdictions. The Bahamas, Turkey, Argentina, Brazil, and Chile are among them. Users in these regions can wager on the value of the Shiba Inu perpetual contract without actually owning any SHIB tokens. Anyone interested in trading on the newly launched Gemini Foundation must first create an account. After you've created an account, you can start trading derivatives as soon as you find the Activate Now option in your derivatives account area. After customers fund their accounts with Gust or Bitcoin, they can start trading futures. Before completing a transaction, users should review and accept the service's terms of service. Traders' familiarity with the rules and risks of derivatives trading is ensured by this process. Not only has Gemini Foundation raised the standard for complex trading options, but other cryptocurrency exchanges have also added advanced trade items for Shiba Inu. The cryptocurrency is now part of Coinbase's 50 index fund, giving investors exposure to 50 of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, not including stablecoins like Tether, of course. Kraken is the same way. It has recently expanded its collateral for futures deals to include Shiba Inus. Kraken has previously launched a margin trading pair for SHIB. Thus, this move shows the growing interest in more complex ways to work with the coin. Despite the rise of advanced trading platforms, the value of the assets has fallen. The decline shows how volatile the cryptocurrency market is, even as the token's visibility and trading alternatives are growing. The publication of the permanent agreement on the Gemini Foundation is a huge development in the rapidly expanding field of trading Bitcoin derivatives. The popular coin has given traders a new way to speculate on it. Cryptocurrencies are still quite unpredictable, as shown by the token's past market performance, despite these trading improvements. Even though they won't be selling millions of SHIBs for the next 5 years, many of our subscribers have voiced their steadfast faith in the Shiba Inu developers and the product's practical value. Please inform me of the quantity you have. Please indicate your current SHIB holdings in the space provided below. Props to the SHIB holder for trusting the process. If you're enjoying this video and would like to share your comments on the Shiba Inu token, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to select post notifications if you would also like to be notified every time we upload a new video.